Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how to copy, paste and cut on your Asus ExpertBook. So for example, let's write a text, some numbers, and to copy you just need to hold your mouse over what do you want to copy, press Ctrl and C on your keyboard, and to paste it you have to press again Ctrl and V. And if you want to cut something, which is like copying, but you're removing the original, you just press Ctrl and X, and to paste it again Ctrl and V. And that's it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.